Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this short video, I'd like to share with you discounters KTB that we just saw. There is a green pentagons 2 days ago with a little bit of pullback setups, and today seems like they are trying to break the closest resistance and challenging the major resistance. Okay, now a few things that we want to look into against. We always want to look into the overall background of the stocks. So we want to study the weekly charts. Okay, so the weekly charts here. Okay, this is the main resistance. Okay, previously we got a reaccumulation around this area. So again, NS, if you're following my Telegram channel or video, so you know what is the function of NS. Okay, so NS is always good to look for a few things. Okay, supports. Okay, so you can always use this area as a potentially there's sign of sound strength. Okay, from the chart itself. So we got NS, and then it turns to support. From support, it turns to resistance. Okay, so this is what we call the shakeout areas. Breaks up, pull back, and seems like the green pentagon is coming back in the weekly charts too. So looking back into daily charts. So again, the main resistance in the top. Okay, we got again a few things that, especially for new members, you want to do. Make sure the green pentagon is above the 2040s. Okay, so this is again to enhance further on your chance to get a good trades. Okay, so again, you want to pair it together with the sound strength. So this green pentagon here definitely is below 2040s. Here is above. Okay, make a pullback. This is what we mean by the sound strength, and turning back to green pentagon. So again, how you're going to look for this green pentagon stocks? Okay, so members come to this screener here, Pentagon Guide to Buy screener, and this is appeared in 11 October, right? So we got KTB, and I think there's tons of stocks in this list that are worth to pay attention to. Okay, so we got a long list on 11 October. Some of them haven't really break up yet. Okay, I think I do comment about RLs. Okay, for several times of the green pentagons too. Okay, so probably you want to take a look. Okay, so today KTB actually already break around 10% at the moment. So, okay, we're doing this video here. So I'm not sure. Okay, it will make a follow through or not, but based on the volume is increasing right now. All right, so hopefully, for those who follow me this trades here, hopefully it will make a nice follow through. If not, if you didn't follow on the pullbacks areas, probably you want to wait for a nice pullback again, right? Continue to monitor in the hour chart if possible to look for a low risk entry. Okay, so with this, thank you for watching this short video. Okay, let me know any other stocks that you want me to cover, okay, in the next sections. So do remember to click the like buttons for this video and subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.